Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to share how you can create a fact video channel on YouTube without showing your face. So let's get started. Hello guys, this channel Ame Facts got 4.5 million subscribers by sharing short videos only. As you can see, he just have two long videos in video section on his YouTube channel, and other videos are in short section on his YouTube channel, as you can see here. And let me show you in how much time he got this uh, subscribers base. So let me take you to his about section, and as you can see, he created his channel in June 2022 and it's November 2022. Within 5 months this guy got 4.5 million subscribers base. Can you believe it? And what he is doing on his channel, let me show you his popular videos. This video of this channel got 48 million views. This channel got 33 million views. This video gained 24 million views. This guy is doing nothing. Let me play a video of this channel for you. This guy is simply explaining other videos. He is picking videos from various platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit, Quora, and YouTube itself. He is just explaining these videos and putting on YouTube as a short video. So it's not that much hard work. If you want to start a fact channel, you can simply follow the guideline of this channel. You can follow the blueprint of this channel. He is explaining things, videos in Hindi, so you can use the same blueprint and you can explain the videos in English. You can explain the videos in Urdu, Arabic, Nepali, Bengali, in your mother tongue, in your country language. So it's that much simple. It's type number 1 of a fact channel. Let me show you another example of a fact channel which is simply sharing English lines on his videos. As you can see here, this guy is simply putting the video in background and just put the text on this video. Fact, it's actually fact lines. It's let me read it for you. Girls fact, girls who laugh so much and blah blah. You can find these kind of thousands, millions of facts on Google, and you can get these free stock images on pexels.com, on pixabay.com. Like, let me take you to pexels.com. Here you can see, you can find so many stock videos. You can use them and you can simply find out the facts about girls, fact about boys, fact about dogs, fact about earth, fact about moon, fact about sun, etc, etc. You can simply copy those facts and simply need to paste it on this video using Clipchamp, Canva, KineMaster, or any video editor. Any video editor can simply do it. In next lecture I am going to show you in a practical way how you can create both these videos, Ame fact videos and these psychological fact videos. So guys, see you in next lecture. Hello guys, in previous lecture I saw you two different YouTube channels. First one is Ame Facts. What kind of content he is sharing? He is simply explaining some other videos in Hindi language. The second one is Psychology Arcade. He is simply using video as a background and putting facts on a text uh, on that video and simply sharing that video on YouTube as a short, and that's it. Now in this lecture I am going to share how you can create these types of videos for your fact video channels. Now we are going to create content like this channel Psychology Arcade. For this we simply need to visit canva.com. Here we are on canva.com. I am using free plan of Canva, so you don't need to get paid plan for creating content like this. This is a very simple content you can even create in the free plan of Canva itself. So for this we just need to go to mobile video. Here you can see I am clicking on mobile video, and it's the format Canva provides you. You just need to select background. So for this simply go to backgrounds, and you can pick any background you like. Suppose I am picking this background. It says it's a premium background, so I am deleting it. Let's pick this one. Okay, it's pretty simple and cool background. Now we need content or text to put on this background. For this we are going on Google. We are sharing fact videos. We are creating fact videos, so we will search here like facts about human body, and simply what are 5 interesting fact about human body. So here are 5 simple facts about our human body, and we simply need to put some content on the header at title. 5 facts human body, 5 facts. So we are putting a interesting title on this. So we simply need to drag and drop from, we can drag and drop this text from bottom to middle to top, wherever we like, and simply need to design something on this text. So for this we are going to use effects and click on background, and we are changing the background color from white, and now we are changing the font color, which is now red. Yeah, red is fine, and we are going back again on effects, and we will choose yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We have built our first phase of fact video. Now we are going on Google again, and we simply need to copy this text, and now we are putting this text here, and we can simply manage it, and you can put your channel logo in any corner, like left corner or right corner. So let me show you how you can put your company's or your channel's logo in this video. You simply need to put your logo and resize it according to the video, and simply need to drag and drop wherever you like, and here is your fact is ready to get published on YouTube. You can also add audio in this text from here, and simply put this music here. Your fact video is ready to get published on YouTube. I have used a simple background for creating this video. You can choose some more creative background also, like simply go to templates, and you can choose any template from here. These Making videos like this channel is very simple, and I am uh, teaching you to create short content, because short videos uh, these days are gaining so much views and getting so much subscribers very fast. Like I told you about this channel, how he got 4.4 million subscribers within 5 months. So he just got this subscribers base with the help of shorts only. So you can also upload shorts and gain more subscribers in a less time. After you have subscriber base, you can switch to long videos like this channel Psychology Arcade. First he gained so many subscribers base, and now he is sharing lengthy content also. So you can simply make this kind of lengthy content on Canva itself by choosing simply video from here, and putting background images and videos in background, and text and some background music. Even you can use your own voice, you can put AI voiceover, as I told you in previous lecture, using Canva. So there are so many things to do. Now let me tell you how you can create content like effects. For this you need video content. For video content you simply need to visit YouTube, and here you can type human body facts, and here you can see a feature on YouTube, filters. Go to filters, Creative Commons. Creative Commons means you can use this content freely without worrying about copyright strike or copyright claim. So you can pick any fact videos from here, and you can crop down the video, cut down the video, and simply use in Clipchamp or in Canva to create your original and unique content. It is that much easy to create fact videos. I hope you understand all the points I have defined here. If you still have any doubt or problem, then you can simply put down the comment or your questions in reviews box of this course. Thank you guys. That's it for this lecture.